Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Brian. In today's video we're going to be building this step stool. This is a rather large step stool. It's made up of 5 pieces and I'm going to walk you through how I built it. First step in our process requires us to glue together several boards in order to get something or a panel that is wide enough for this step stool. So in doing that, we create a panel composed of several different boards and we need to flatten it. So you'll see that I use a card scraper to flatten both the top and the sides. This picture shows the final top. The top was created by cutting a rectangle out of the big panel that you saw me flattening. Next, we round over the corners by cutting tangents to the final corner that we want. I cut 2 tangents and then round over with my hand sander. And then lastly, what you'll see is that we create the 4 mortises, 2 on each side, by using a mortise and press. This picture for the inside face shows the important features for the sides. Here you can see 3 oblong mortises that were created with the Festool domino, an arch that was cut with a bow saw. In addition, you can see 2 tenons on the top. Now the original video footage has been lost, so I'm going to show you on a smaller step stool how to cut that with a bow saw and how to cut the tenons on the top. Our first step is a layout step. What we're going to do is use a mortising gauge to come over and we align these pens on the mortising gauge by adjusting this back here. And this allows us to get the width of our mortise, and then we're going to transfer that over to the top of the sides to make the tenons. This is a picture of the sides from the outside. Here you can see that the tenons are cut such that they're flush with the outside face, but they're recessed from the inside face. Here you can see our fully assembled step stool. What I also want you to notice is that the quarter sawn oak wood grain does not stand out substantially until you add that finish. Once you add the finish, it really does make it stand out and pop. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon in a future video.